To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Hello! In this video, we will learn about consonant blends. The consonants S and H make the sh sound. Sh. Ship. Ship. Fish. Fish. Shell. Shell. Brush. Brush. A pink shell in the sand. A pink shell in the sand. The consonants C and H make the ch sound. Ch. Chick. Chick. Lunch. Lunch. I eat pasta for lunch. I eat pasta for lunch. The consonants T, C, and H make the ch sound. Ch. Watch. Watch. Catch. Catch. He can catch the ball. He can catch the ball. The consonants P and H make the f sound. F. Phone. Phone. Graph. Graph. Dolphin. Dolphin. The dolphin swims fast. The dolphin swims fast. The consonants W and H make the w sound. W. Whale. Whale. White. White. Wheel. Wheel. The bike has 2 wheels. The bike has 2 wheels.